how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch till the end so you don't miss any part, especially if you've locked or hidden a chat and can't figure out where it went. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open up your WhatsApp app. Now, to see any locked chats, all you need to do is swipe down on the main chat screen, just pull down with your finger. You'll see an option pop up that says Lock Chats. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to unlock using Face ID or enter passcode depending on your phone. Once that's done, all your locked chats are revealed and you can open any of them like normal. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you've hidden those locked chats with a secret code, they won't show up even when you swipe down. To find them, tap on the search bar at the top of the app and type in your secret code, for example, 2001, that's what I set. Once you enter it, the locked chats folder appears, and from there, you can access them again with your Face ID or passcode. Just keep in mind you need to remember the secret code you set. If you forget it, you won't be able to access those hidden chats. And that's it. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, and drop a comment if you've got any questions. I'm always happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.